This curved vibration plate exercise machine was sent to me as a gift, and in this video, I'm unboxing it, getting it set up, and trying it out for myself so you can see how it works. Starting with the unboxing, everything comes packaged securely, and inside the box, you get the vibration plate, the resistance bands, the remote control, power cord, and the user manual. As I'm taking everything out, I show each item up close so you can get a better look at everything that's included. Right away, one thing I noticed is the curved design. It gives you a little more room for your feet and has a modern look that would fit well in a home gym. Before plugging it in, I attach the included resistance bands and show where they connect on each side of the machine. It's nice that those are included because they give you the option to work on your upper body while using the vibration plate. Once everything is set up, I power it on and go through the controls. The display is easy to read, and I show how to adjust the settings using both the controls on the machine and the included remote. This model also features Bluetooth, so you can pair your phone and play music while you're working out. After going through the controls, it's time to test it out. I step onto the machine and start with one of the lower vibration settings before gradually increasing the intensity. As you can see in the video, the vibrations become more noticeable as the levels increase. I also demonstrate using the resistance bands while the machine is running so you can incorporate some upper body movements into your workout. One thing I appreciate is that the machine feels stable while I'm using it. Even as the vibration intensity changes, the manufacturer states that it has a 460-pound weight capacity and described it as a vibration plate designed for home fitness. Throughout the video, I focus on the unboxing, setup, controls, and real use so you can get a realistic idea of what to expect. Overall, I think this is an easy machine to get started with. Between the curved platform, multiple vibration settings, included resistance bands, Bluetooth connectivity, remote control, and sturdy design, it offers a convenient way to add another piece of equipment to a home workout routine while taking up much less space than many larger fitness machines.